What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean Smith. You watching Sean's TV, and I'm back with another video. But like always, before we get into it, make sure you hit the subscribe button, man. Join the grind, gang. Also hit that post notification so you do not miss a video. Yes, sir. We're at the auction today. And boy number one is tired as hell, bro. It's 6 in the morning. I'm sleepy as hell, so I had to go get me a Red Bull, and it got me a little donut to put something in my body. But bro, I'm tired. I ain't gonna cap. I got like probably like 10 cars to check out today, and then that's about it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't really get the energy to check out a bunch of cars. I still got a bunch of damn cars, bro. It's been slow season, and we ain't really been just selling a ton of cars right now, so we still got a bunch. So really, didn't really have to come, to be honest, but I figured I can come and try to give me 1, 2 cheap ones. So that's what we're about to try to do. The auction ain't even open yet. Your boy just got special access like that, man. Special access like that, man. I come through the back entrance, man. Yes, sir. Look at this. Like I said, man, not a lot of people get to come in before the auction actually opens up. I think my uncle should be out here though. But yeah, man, we finna first I'm finna eat this donut real quick, and then we finna get it, bro. I got a couple cars, like I said, so stay tuned. Let's get it. All right, so I'm driving a car right now that I'm about to put right back because it's a damn turd, bro. It is a turd. Everything out here today, not everything, but already the first couple of cars that I had on my list was all freaking turds, bro. Like, I bullshit you not. They all are lemons. So that's the kind of day we already having. That's the kind of day we already having. So I don't know, man. It's not looking too good. Let me show y'all. So tried to start up this Impala. It's dead. Didn't like that. Wasn't interested in that. Just got done driving that piece of shit. This one just got too many miles. That mug got 260 on it. That thing, you know I love Nissan, but listen to this. Listen to this. And it only got 175,000 miles. That transmission is whining like a motherfucker. So that's a no. And then I get down here to Impala. Let me show you what the Impala doing. Let me show you, man. Of course, the blend door. Oh, it's not doing it no more. But it sounded crazy early when I first started it up. That thing was sounding crazy. Oh, you know what? That's not that one. That's this one right here. I didn't look at so many goddamn Impalas because they had like 4 back to back. That right there. Yeah. Yup. Little Malibu. I don't really generally like these, to be honest, but I really nah. They got a bunch of junk out here today. bunch of junk, bro. This is crazy. This is just it's dead. Alright, let's check this one out. We already see a little body. Damn it. Oh my goodness. Look at this, bro. Good Lord. 240. 240 on the clock, bro. AC work good. Window is... Bro, just look behind me. Look at this. This is crazy right here, again. Crazy. Yeah. AC work. Oh my God. AC working there though. Work damn good too. God damn. Got some power to her. Got some power. Is that Big 10 driving? I think so. Nah, this actually drive very good, bro. With 241 on it. People can talk about Nissan all they want, but one thing about it is sometimes they last. Sometimes they eat some bullshit. Don't get it wrong, but I love Nissan, bro. Nissan that made me so much money, it ain't even funny. Let me put this thing back, though. Alright, we finna put this back and check out some more cars, man. Alright, so I've been here for a little while now, and I ain't gonna lie. I got like one car on the list. I did say I only came for one car, but I want a cheap one. I don't think what I got on the list is gonna be cheap. So most likely we won't be able to buy that one. It smell like ass in here, gang. I ain't gonna lie. It smell like straight ass in that motherfucker. It's not bad looking. The interior kind of suck. It look like it's been painted for sure. What is this? A lacrosse. This thing is it's been painted for sure. Horribly at that. Horribly. It just stank in here, man. It stank. The radio don't seem to work. Oh, there go the backup camera starter. What the fuck was that? Bro, this just... Let me draw this thing. Alright, that was a no. That thing was making all type of noises as I turn and stuff. So like I said, it looked like it's been wrecked, so I'm pretty sure it got some underneath carriage issues and everything else. Bro, I don't see nothing. I truly don't see nothing today. So yeah. I don't know. We're just gonna wait. Like I said, I got one car. We're gonna wait till the auction, bro, and see if we can get it. If not, bro, I'm going on about my business. So I'll get back to y'all. Let me see what this one go for. This was gonna be high, guys. This was one of the ones that I test drove. One of the only ones that was actually good. We're gonna see what it goes for. I know it's gonna be high though. So that one sold for $3,100, which is not bad. I ain't gonna lie. I thought that motherfucker was gonna be a lot more. What's up with it? All right, guys. So we end up buying this right here. Spent more money than I wanted to. I mean, the inside is trash, bro. Oh my goodness. Inside of this bitch is trashed. So I gotta get some seat covers for sure. Tires bald. Nita. Oh Lord, what did I get myself into? Paid $2,400 for this though. So, pretty cheap though. I can't even lie. It's the 240. Sound like a lot of miles. It is a lot of miles, but man, I've sold them with 270 on it. We just sold one with like 276, I believe, or 273, something like that. And say run a drive fine, bro. Them year models is not that bad, honestly. I promise y'all. That's the only one that I really just wanted. So we got that one, and that was really my last hit. I had 2,500 on it and wanted at 24. So yeah. Oh Lord. Now one thing, the window, I don't know if the window is busted or is it just not like my window switch don't work on that side, which that's what I'm hoping for. Ooh. Come on. Okay, so dang it. None of the windows work besides the driver. Shit. Fuck. Hey, it's the window in there. That's all I got to see. Ooh-wee. So anyway, we got this piece of shit. I gotta stop cussing. We got this one. So this was the only one that I really just saw today, and I honestly, truthfully, didn't just like this one either. But is what it is. Yo, whoever had this car was a scammer. They got a bunch of bank cards and what the heck, bunch of different IDs, a Florida's driver's license, passport, Pennsylvania driver's license. What? He was a scammer. All right. So weird. Oh, so the window's off track. All right. Say less. All right, say less, man. Window off track, I can deal with that. All right, so the window off track on that one, we can fix that. That's it, bro. We got one today. All right, man. So I know this morning it wasn't looking good for us, but we actually bought a car. We actually bought the car that we wanted. My uncle actually bought the car that he wanted. So we came out with some cars. I kind of wanted mine a little bit cheaper, but it's still cheap for what it is. So it is what it is, bro. We got what we came to get. I really didn't need no cars. The lot is actually still full. Haven't really sold no cars. So yeah, but we gonna make it do what it do. All right, so we just paid for it. We'll come pick it up probably tomorrow. I ain't doing nothing else today. So the auction wasn't as bad as I thought. Still kind of was bad. I really didn't want to pay what I paid for it, but it is what it is. We still got it pretty cheap. I don't know what to sell that thing for. I'm gonna sell it at a good price. So yeah, but we got something at least. It was looking ugly out here today. It was looking ugly. So that's the end of the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Join the grind gang. Also hit that post notification so you do not miss a video. Also follow my other social medias, which will be down in the description below. Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all that good stuff, man. All of it is Shunts TV if you don't look in the description. But make sure you follow me there because I'm always posting on one of those platforms. So yeah, till next time, man. Peace.